Burundi is often called the forgotten country in the water sector. That's because none of the major water charities have operated in this country. And Amazi Water is working to help fix the biggest problem in the poorest country in the world.
Amazi Water's vision is to see water in every village in Burundi. We partner with Grundfos because they are an effective, global, nimble, flexible partner that really try to understand what our goals and needs are and provide services and logistics and pricing that supports our effort. In 2014, this project started with 40 boreholes. Today, June 2023, we just finished our 850th borehole, and we expect that by the end of this year, we will have exceeded or be approaching 1,000 boreholes. More than 2 million people have increased access and or first-time access to water from these systems. And over 500,000 people have at least 20 liters of water within 10 to 15 minutes of their house. We believe that Burundi needs 2,000 more water systems to see this vision be achieved.
Ubu bamwe twara tuvoma uruzi Kajeke, abandi tukavoma uruzi Rusizi. Ubu aya mazi yaradufashije cyane, baraduha amazi meza, bayadushira no hafi kandi ntigera abura.
The groundwater is exceptional. Lake Tanganyika is one of the largest lakes in the world. The water table is rich, not everywhere, but there is a huge available supply of water under us and it's not being tapped.
Amazi Water has had the luxury of substantial internal funding, which has allowed us to make some long-term decisions in our investments into equipment and tools and vehicles and facilities, all of which helps us be more efficient and lowers our total overall cost. The population is extremely dense in Burundi, and the groundwater potential is very high. That ensures that our water projects are able to serve a large number of people, which makes the cost per person served very low.
As a more than 75-year-old company, Grundfos has developed and maintained the quality for incredible products. As a company that is not purely motivated profit, but it wants to make an impact, they make products that work for us and they make products that people want to use. We find that the upfront cost of these products is highly competitive, oftentimes the best, but we have no doubt that the long-term cost to be unbeatable.